Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you unique pink color blouse design for stylish look. Friends, pink color blouse design are a timeless and attractive, beautiful fashion choice. They add a design and elegance to any outfit, whether soft pastel or any other bold color. Pink color blouse complement all skin tone and style. Friends, we know that pink color blouse are stylish and adaptable. These kind of pink color blouse suit traditional sarees, lehenga, skirt. Friends, from wedding to casual gathering, pink color blouse design fit all kind of special occasion. Friends, the pink color embroidery blouse design is perfect for wedding, engagement, festival and all other special event. It featured detailed threadwork, mirror work, stone work, beads work, and sequence work. The pink color velvet blouse design is luxurious. It pairs well with silk sarees and designer sarees, and it gives royal appeal. Friends, mirror work pink color blouse design add sparkle and create the blouse eye-catching. It is perfect suitable for pandani or embroidery sarees. Friends, we know that sheer net blouse with lace detail create a delicate feminine look. This kind of pink color blouse perfect for evening occasion and dinner parties. Friends, pink color boat neck blouse give a refined and attractive look. It complements traditional and modern outfit. Friends, if you want for bold and glamorous appearance, the pink color backless blouse design is a great choice. Friends, the pink color Kyneck blouse design provides a structure and elegant style. It is suitable for formal wear, office wear, and festival event. Friends, currently the pink color blouse design are in trend. Floral print pink color blouse create a fresh and youthful look. This kind of blouse ideal for daytime wear and daily wear. Friends, pink color blouse design are versatile and stylish. From simple style to heavily embellished one, this kind of pink color blouse perfect for all kind of occasion. Whether you prepare a traditional or contemporary look, this kind of pink color blouse design is always a fashionable choice. Friends, I hope you guys all love this video. If you like this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. Friends, if you want more video like this, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon. Thank you friends and keep watching.